Hey friend, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and today I am going to show you how to use the bulk create feature in PowerPoint. Now, if you've been here, you already know that I'm somebody who likes creating in PowerPoint, and that may surprise you because it's one of the easiest tools to create printables. Um, that I have found. Now, I do use Canva for some things, and one of the things that I've always liked about Canva, or that have given Canva the leg up, is their bulk create feature. But some time ago, I purchased a bulk create add-on PowerPoint add-in, and I'm finally getting around to actually utilizing the software that I purchased, and I wanted to show you how you could use bulk create inside of PowerPoint as well. So I am working on creating a roll and share type of game that I'm going to be listing inside of my shop. So this is a template that I've set up. I've already designed it. And you'll see here that I have spots here for 6 questions. So I have install the bulk create add-on, which is from Bearwood Labs. If you're interested in getting that, I will have a link to it inside of the video description that you can get. It is an affiliate link, which means that I will, if you purchase through the link, I may get a commission at no additional charge to you. Okay, so I'm inside of here. Once you have this add-in installed, then you'll have go to add-ins, and you'll see here, this is the bulk create. Now I have several different add-ins inside of my PowerPoint, but today we're focusing on this section here. And here, to get started, you would go to add data table. And so it pre-populates a chart here where I need a chart that has 6 columns because I'm doing 6 questions. So I'm just going to highlight the 2 columns, and I'm going to go and I'm going to say insert 2 more to the right because it's empty. It doesn't really matter. So you could choose left or right. And for the essence of time, I've already gone in and copied the text and stuff that I want to enter. So I'm just going to hit paste here. So you'll see here that I have a 6 by 6 column. Whoop, went to the wrong page. So because I highlighted everything, then let me go back. Let me undo that. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, this 6, and then I'm going to click my paste here. And then you'll see I'll have some extra columns here. I'm going to decrease my page size. So I'm just going to highlight and delete these rows here. And I'm going to go to delete and click delete. Okay. So now that I have all of my information into my table, it's time to get started with connecting the data so that it knows which fields to put where. So what I will need to do is go to um, the insert placeholder fields so that I can connect it. And so when you do that, it's going to pop in a little window that's going to highlight, it'll have Q1 or whatever your table headings are. So here I'm just going through and I'm connecting those fields. So I'm telling it that Q1 is, I want that data put here. For question 2, it should be those that are Q2. For question 3, it's going to be those that's in the Q3 column. Question 4 is going to be for those that's in the Q4 column. And then same thing for question 5. And question 6 is the same thing. So because I have 6 columns with several different rows, it's going to create me multiple sheets based on the number of questions that I have included in my table. So once I have all of the mail merge or the fields connected, then I'm now ready to move on to the next step. and I'm going to go to the generate button, and just like that, it's going to start creating several different sheets for me. So I got all of them connected. Hit the generate button, and then if you kind of watch over to the side, it's going to start creating those um, new fields for me, new game boards for me. Okay, so it started working, and it only took it a few minutes to do so. Now I have 6 different game boards, and it has filled in those questions for me. So from there, I can go in and make any tweaks to, if you know, the formatting. If I want to change how big the fonts are or anything like that, I can do that there. I can change the actual text or whatever. All the fields are editable on the template, but it just batch created those game sheets for me, um, like that, by doing the bulk create feature. And like I said, I had purchased this plugin some time ago, so I'm not really sure why it took me so long to actually get started using it, but I'm glad I decided to finally sit down and give it a try. And this is, like I said, it's a add-in for PowerPoint by Bearwood Labs. I also have their bingo generator, which I love. It's so easy. It allows you to do bingo cards with pictures, words, and all of that. And I hope that this quick tutorial was helpful. And like I said, if you're interested in buying the add-in for yourself, I'll have a link to that. And if you want the actual game cards, you can find them in my shop. Thanks. See you next time. Bye-bye.